Hello students and everybody, I am Professor Kamlesh Narayan Tiwari from Agricultural and Food Engineering Department, IIT Kharagpur. I welcome to the new course on Micro Irrigation Engineering on the NPTEL platform. Before we start, let me give brief background on the august importance of this course. As we all might know, the world population is expected to touch more than 10 billion by 2050. Currently, about 40% of land is under agricultural production. Further, the demands for land, food, fiber and fuel will pressurize the land resources for incremental transformation. When we talk about India, it accounts for 17% of world's human population with only meager 2.4% of the land and 4% of water resources. In our country, agriculture accounts for more than 80% of water withdrawal in the form of irrigation. With increased uses of water for industries, power generation, tourism, etc., there is a demanding need for optimal use of water for agricultural purposes with the aim to increasing output from water resources, and this has become one of the pressing issues for amongst the foremost world thinkers, scientists and engineers. Micro irrigation promises to allow optimal use of water, fertilizer for irrigation in terms of right time of application, appropriate quantity of application and at appropriate location, that is at the root zone of the crop. This course is the crux of 2.5 decades of extensive research conducted by me and my group of students through the crop experimental trials done at Agricultural and Food Engineering Department of IIT Kharagpur and also in the farmers field. This course focuses application of basic fundamentals of fluid mechanics, design of filters, pipes, water emitting out of very fine small orifices and long tortuous path of drip emitters. I have touched upon the basics of soil, water, plant, atmosphere continuum and its relevance with irrigation. Emerging topic of research and application on automation of micro irrigation, integration of micro irrigation system with solar PV system and precision agriculture have also been dealt in this course. We have solved numerical problems from all the major topics at the end of each modules in the form of tutorials to get more clarity of this subject. I hope this course will be useful amongst the graduate, postgraduate, PhD research students and faculty of agricultural engineering, civil engineering and agricultural sciences. Industries dealing with micro irrigation and field practicing engineer will also find several topics of their interest. I thank NPTEL administration of IIT Madras for such initiative and approving this course. I am indebted to IIT Kharagpur administration for approval and providing support to happen this course. Thanks are due to Mr. Ramu, Mr. Devesh and their associated staff of NPTEL IIT Kharagpur for indoor and outdoor shooting of all the lectures in excellent manner and completing this course on time. Assistance received from Mr. Amitabh Roy in conducting laboratory experiment and shooting those laboratory experiments is deeply acknowledged. I am grateful to my teaching assistants Mr. Mahesh Adole, Ms. Chitra Shukla. They are senior research scholars. They have provided full assistance in preparing the course material and also associated tutorials in these lectures. Due to their full time involvement, this course could be completed on time. My sincere thanks to my family members, my elders, their blessings and friends in the academia for their support and motivation. Thank you very much and Jai Hind.